There is one single game-changing beauty ingredient that I feel is underrated, and it is glycolic acid. This is not an ad. I'm just using it as an example because it's the one I have. Let's get into all the amazing benefits of glycolic acid. If you don't know me, my name is Angelica, aka Angie B. I post videos all about growing long, healthy, natural hair, as well as some skincare, makeup, a little bit of lifestyle, other beauty shorts. If that seems interesting, consider subscribing. The subscription button is right down there, as well as the bell icon. Make sure you hit the bell so you get notifications every single time I post. Let's get into the benefits of glycolic acid for everything. So one of the less popular but amazing benefits of glycolic acid is you can use this for hair growth. Yes, you can. What it does is it helps you have a really healthy scalp. A healthy scalp thrives. If your scalp is healthy, your hair is going to be healthy too. So if you have a dry, flaky scalp, just in the same way you may have dry and flaky skin, if you put glycolic acid on your scalp, you can use this bottle which has this little pipette. You can just put it all through your scalp, or you can put it in a spray bottle and spray it over your scalp, directly on your scalp, and it's going to help exfoliate that dead skin, that flaky scalp, and it's gonna also help hydrate your scalp because that is a benefit of glycolic acid. And if you have any clogged follicles or pores, it can help get that gunk out as well, and that's how it can promote your hair growth. So if you've never tried glycolic acid on your scalp, maybe you should try it, especially if you have a dry scalp. If you have an oily scalp, you may want to go for something like salicylic acid, and we can do that in another video. But today it is about glycolic acid. So if you have a dry scalp like mine, but you're dealing with a flaky scalp, dandruff, glycolic acid can help you. Now, this is one of my personal favorite ways to use glycolic acid, and honestly, I think this is the most consistent way I use it. This is as a lightening / fixing hyperpigmentation. I use glycolic acid in my armpits. Now, you can put it on a cotton pad and just pat it in your armpits, especially maybe if you shaved in the morning, you can use this at night. If you do it directly after, you may get a little stinging, so you may want to keep it to leave a couple hours in between, and then in between your shaving, you can put this every single day on a cotton round, or the way I like to use it, put it in a spray bottle. I just spray it on my armpits. It helps prevent ingrown hairs. It neutralizes your body odor. It helps lighten dark armpits. If you get any hyperpigmentation, whether it's from shaving or you just have darker armpits, this can help lighten that up because it gently exfoliates and gets rid of all that dead skin. You will also have nice and really smooth armpits because, again, it's exfoliating the area. And it is extremely effective and works pretty fast. In at least a week, you start noticing differences when it comes to ingrown hairs and pigmentation. And when it comes to body odor, that's instant. It's immediate, unless you have a medical condition, in which you should probably go and see a doctor. And now the next way I think should be talked about a lot more, and this is using it for your feet. If you have cracked heels, cracked feet, rough feet, you just feel especially in winter, you have those months where your feet just get very rough and callous, depending on the kinds of shoes that you wear. If you like to walk barefoot, or if you're just prone to getting cracks or rough feet, this can actually help dissolve all those issues. It softens the skin, which helps your skin get even more hydrated. So the best way you can use this is you can do the thing on a cotton pad as well. This is how I like to use it. I'll either spray it or put it on a cotton pad, focus it all the way under my foot, or you can focus it wherever you have a problem area. Let it dry, and then go over with something very occlusive like Vaseline. I like to use bag balm, and then I just put socks on. And then you just walk around the house with socks until it's time to sleep. Because it also helps with odor, just like in your armpits, it will also help the odor on your feet. So if you've never tried glycolic acid on your feet, especially under your feet, try it. It will make a massive difference. The next way is the most common and popular one, which is using it on your face as an exfoliator. If you're not very acne prone, and especially if you have dry skin, glycolic acid is much better than salicylic acid. I use retinol. I use other acids on my face. I don't actually use this one on my face because I have other products that work better on my face. And because this is a 7% solution, if you've never used acids on your face, this may actually be a little bit too strong. You may want to try something that's like a 5% or less. But this is not about the ordinary glycolic acid. This is just an example because it's the one I have right now. But you can use this on your face as well, anywhere from like 1 to 3 times a week. And not only will it keep you looking younger, in collaboration with things like tretinoin, if you are over 25, I use tretinoin, and what happens is it increases the cell turnover of your skin so that your skin can look younger and fresher and continue to turn over the same way it would if you were younger. However, sometimes if you do that a lot and you don't do any kind of exfoliating, you may not see the benefits as quick. So using something like a glycolic acid on your face will actually help exfoliate the dead skin from the turnover from the tretinoin, and you will see quicker results. However, you do not want to use it at the same time, okay? Do it at least a day apart or 2 days apart. Another great use for glycolic acid, you see, they just keep going. Like, this is a magic ingredient. I feel like it should be even more popular, but you know, trends, it comes, it goes. But another great use for glycolic acid is for KP, which is keratosis pilaris, which is the buildup of keratin in your skin, and it creates bumps. Like, I don't really have it anymore, but this is kind of a line from sunburn. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but like if I'm driving and everything, there's like a distinct line of where my sunburn is, even if I use sunscreen. But you can see that there are a few little bumps here, but not really. I used to have a lot more bumps on the back of my arm. But if you have those tiny, tiny sort of like hard bumps on the back of your arms, again, you can use this in a spray bottle or in a cotton round. Put it on the back of your arms. The skin on your arms is thicker than the skin on your face, so you can actually get away with doing this every single day. However, wherever you apply this, you have to be aware that using an acid like this that is strong will make your skin more sensitive to light. So if you're going to be using it on your arms, whenever you use it, even if you don't wear sunscreen often, if you use this on your skin like the night before the next morning, you better remember to wear sunscreen because you will be more prone to getting sunburnt and sun damage. So yes, it's a double-edged sword, but it works extremely effectively on the back of your arms to treat KP. Some people have KP even at the back of the thighs or on the thighs. And this leads me to my next point, which is it can also help you treat ingrown hairs on your legs. And I guess it is a version of KP, what people like to call, but you know when you shave your legs and you can see all the dots on your skin and it feels like it doesn't go away no matter what you do every time you shave. Glycolic acid on your legs after you shave can actually work. Now, because the skin on your legs is thicker than the skin in your armpits and on your face, you may be able to spray it or put it with a cotton round just directly after you shave, but please try it on a small patch because if you have sensitive skin and it feels like it's tingling or burning a little bit, don't put it on your entire leg. Just wait until the next day. Obviously, you don't shave your legs every single day, hopefully, but just put it on your legs the next day and it's really going to help that chicken skin, which is also a form of KP, on your legs, and it will smooth your legs, and it's one of the things that can help your legs look nice and smooth and shiny. And aside from treating the KP, again, it is exfoliating, so your legs will be super smooth and hydrated. When you add oil or moisturizer on top, your skin will be that much more susceptible to accepting it really well. Now, the next one is also a form of body care, and this is treating acne, which is acne on the back. Now, I'm not very acne prone, but I do get hormonal acne. And then on my back, I find that sometimes I do get acne when I'm going to the gym back to back and I'm doing workouts that make me sweat a lot. Even if it's just hot, even if you don't work out, some days it's just you're out and about, you're doing things and it gets really hot and you get sweaty and your clothes are sort of stuck to your back. That moist environment, that moisture in the air might make you more prone to getting acne on your back. Also, if you don't wash your hair properly, by this I mean if you wash your body first and then you wash your hair after, that could be giving you acne because the shampoo running down your back is probably fine because it's soapy. But if you use a thick conditioner, that could clog your pores on your skin. And then you've done your shower, you've scrubbed your back, and then you rinse your hair and the conditioner goes over your back and stays on your back. That could give you acne. So first of all, you need to stop doing that. But if you already have the acne, the glycolic acid can help you. And that's why I love putting glycolic acid in a spray bottle, because you don't have to be able to reach everywhere on your back. Just reach as far as you can and spray your back, and wherever you can reach, you can rub it in, and it will fix the issue really quickly. Now, this last way is something I learned about recently, and I know that I will be using this very soon. However, I haven't tried it this way yet, but I know that it works. And this is, if you have fake tan and your fake tan is patchy, maybe on your hands, or you put it on your legs, maybe you were testing out a new tan and it's just not looking the way you thought it was gonna look. Maybe you wanna get it off, or it's just looking pretty patchy. Because glycolic acid exfoliates the top layer of your skin, it can actually help even out or completely get rid of an uneven tan. Now, I have never used fake tan. However, I'm very willing to try. And this is simply because I am not a skirt or shorts person. I always wear long pants, even in the house. Even right now at the bottom, I'm wearing long pants, which means that if I was to wear short pants or a short skirt, you will notice that my legs are a completely different skin tone than my face and my arms. So whenever it is I plan to wear like a short skirt or a short dress, I want to be able to put fake tan on my legs. And of course, if I'm going to put fake tan on my legs, I will probably put it on the rest of my body so that everywhere is even. And I know that should anything go wrong, I have glycolic acid to fix the issue. Have you ever used glycolic acid in any of the ways that I've mentioned, aside from on your face? I'm sure you've probably tried it on your face before. Or is there a way you use glycolic acid that I haven't even mentioned yet? Let us know below, because it's always fun to know. Hit my face right there to subscribe if you didn't in the beginning. Watch this video here, especially for you. And hit the bell so you get notifications every single time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!